This is one of the best strategies to create a longer documentary videos using AI. What if I told you could actually bring to life old stories, historical events, and real life stories using AI? Check this out.
On April 13th, 1919, Jallianwala Bagh was filled with laughter, music, and families celebrating Baisakhi. No one knew that death was walking toward them. When General Reginald Dyer arrived, he blocked the only exit. There was no warning, no signal to disperse, only one order: fire. Bullets rained down on unarmed people. Mothers shielded their children. Men screamed for their families, and some jumped into the well, choosing death over bullets. For 10 long minutes, the firing continued. No mercy, no humanity. By sunset, there was silence. But that silence changed history. The massacre did not kill the spirit of India, it awakened it. From that day forward, the world witnessed a different India, an India that demanded freedom and would not stop until it won.
Could you believe that the video you just watched right now was made by AI? In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create AI documentary videos all for free without paying any tool. So without further ado, let's get into it right away. The first thing you need to do is simply head over to your ChatGPT. You have to simply add this particular prompt to ChatGPT. This is a prompt that's going to simply give you ideas of what to create. I pasted this particular prompt, then ChatGPT went ahead to give me all of these video ideas. All right, the first story is the boy who invented wind, and the second story is the girl who survived the plane crash. All right, the third one was the homeless man who became a mass genius. All right, so you know all of these historical events are based on their own niches, right? So you can choose to go with the crime niche, horror niche, and lot more. Okay, then I asked it if it knows this particular story. So for me, I like watching Indian movies, so I decided to create an Indian documentary because I love their movies. All right, especially their tricks and their superpowers. All right, so if you scroll down right here, you're going to see this is a story that they've already given to us. For you to generate your own story and script, you just have to add this prompt. I want to make a documentary story about, you have to add your story right here where you see your story. Okay, then write a 2-minute suspenseful script with 2 strong hooks that will keep the viewers engaged until the end of the video. Okay, so you just have to make sure you copy this particular script for your own. All right, so this is the one I've already written right here. You can see this is the story right here. All right, so after generating your story, I want it to generate the image prompt. Copy this or the script right now. You can see right here, this is just a short story, so I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to add it here. Okay, then at the end of that particular script, go back here, then you add this. All right, so once you send that, then this is going to simply start generating another image prompt again. Okay, so this is the same one, this is the image prompt. Okay, I'm going to show you how to generate the image prompt. This is the first one. All right, so there are 2 tools you can actually use for this. There are 2 tools. Okay, first of all, you can use Meta AI, or you can go ahead and use Grok AI. Okay, just search for Grok Imagine. All right, this is the tool you're going to simply use right now. Okay, so we're going to simply compare the 2 of them together. Right, so go ahead and come over to this Grok right here, and we're going to simply paste the first prompt right here. Before pasting that, click on this and select image, and you're going to simply go ahead and select your aspect ratio. You can go with this or this or this. Okay, so if you decide to go with this, you can simply select that. If you decide to go with this, so anyone you want to go for, okay, so you are good to go with that. Okay, so click on this and paste the prompt right here. When you paste that, then select that, open it. Okay, you can see what we have here. You can see the ones we got from Grok AI. Let's paste the same prompt right here for Meta AI. Let's paste it. Okay, you can see what we have here on Meta, and we have landscape here. The next you need to do right now is simply turn it to a video by clicking on this section, make a video. So remember, with Meta AI as well, you can also turn it to a video. Just click on it, then you click on animate. Okay, it will be turned to a video. Animate. This is going to simply turn it to a video for you. Okay, it has already turned it to a video. You can see it is video right now. If you go back to Grok AI, Grok AI has already done a good job from here. You can see it's also a video. Okay, so this is from Meta AI and this is from Grok. Okay, all you need to do is simply click on the video and you click on, you pause it, pause the sound, then click on download. Okay, it will be downloaded instantly. It has been downloaded. Then also you can download the same thing from here if you want to use this one as short. Okay, so if you go over to this very section, if you click on it, you can click on download. Okay, so it's downloading it. So you can add the second prompt from here and copy the second prompt. Then come to Grok, paste the prompt here, then send it out. Okay, so it's generating it. You can also do the same thing for this. So remember, this is shorts and the other one is portrait. Okay, okay, so this one has already been generated. This is the one from Grok, and also this is the one from Meta AI. You can see right here, this one is shorts. This is basically how it works, and this is how you can actually generate these videos and images and also download them to your mobile phone, okay, or your laptop. All right, so I'm going to simply do the same thing for the rest of this particular script, okay, and get back to you right now. So after generating the sense of your videos, the next you need to do right now is simply go to your browser, go back to your ChatGPT, then you have to simply copy that particular script. Okay, so I think this is the script right here. This is the script. The only thing that is not part of it is this particular prompt which I gave it at the end. Okay, so after copying it, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go to a realistic voiceover generator, Google AI Studio. Then select the text to speech, scroll down here, click on speech, generate speech, select single speaker, then select any voice of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to select this guy, then come back here, paste my script right here. Okay, then come over to instruction, paste the whole instruction here. Okay, so this is the instruction, then go back here, scroll down a little bit, click on send prompt. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate. All right, so guys, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, the audio is ready.
The only exit. There was no warning, no signal to disperse, only one order.
Okay, click on this button to download the audio. All right, so after downloading this is the whole work. All right, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and edit this particular video. All right, you can simply use CapCut, be an editor, in short, any app of your choice. You can use the desktop app, you can use web browser, you can use mobile application to edit it. Okay, so I'm going to simply edit it and show you the final ending part of this very video. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel. Okay, so if you want to learn how to edit your videos after generating them, you can simply go over to my YouTube channel right here. Okay, so I've already made a detailed video how to generate and edit your video from this very section. You can see right here, these two videos are going to simply walk you through on how to do this. Okay, after generating your videos, you need to edit it thoroughly before you upload it on YouTube. All right,
On April 13th, 1919, Jallianwala Bagh was filled with laughter, music, and families celebrating Baisakhi. No one knew that death was walking toward them. When General Reginald Dyer arrived, he blocked the only exit. There was no warning, no signal to disperse, only one order: fire. Bullets rained down on unarmed people. Mothers shielded their children. Men screamed for their families. And some jumped into the well, choosing death over bullets. For 10 long minutes, the firing continued. No mercy, no humanity. By sunset, there was silence. But that silence changed history. The massacre did not kill the spirit of India, it awakened it. From that day forward, the world witnessed a different India, an India that demanded freedom and would not stop until it won.